We are remodeling, have been for a while. Long story short, this is a stack of some of my Smart Doll boxes, and it goes all the way back here, and I have on my farm clothes. So bear with us today. It's National Raggedy Ann Day, and I put out a challenge for you to show us your rag dolls today. I have a bunch up here, so rather than coming up and gathering them, I figured we'd show you a little bit of my dusty doll nook. I have a Wednesday Addams here, but I have this little girl. These are the Beanie Baby. I love them. Over here, I have a very special rag doll that was made by Dory's Dollies as a gift to me. Look, she even made the headless doll. I love that. There's another Wednesday Addams Darren in the corner. I'm looking around. I have a big, this is our doll nook. We also have a doll room, and it's a mess too. We are remodeling everything, and it's gotten away from us. Okay, those are some Blythe shoes. This is a rag doll that I made before going to St. Louis, Missouri, to a doll show. And I made her so that everyone can sign it.
Oh.
The Smart Doll boxes are shifting. Darren always says we need to build a human-sized igloo out of our Smart Doll boxes. She is to represent, or I made her to represent my channel. She has on the green dress and the same hair as the troll in my Firefly, in my logo. And then I gave her one that I made like it. So this has a lot of signatures on it from other doll channels. I think her body has some too. And shame on me, I should take her every time I go. Here's some too. And I ask people to do her face because I am not an artist. I did not put a face on her. I just passed her around, and I made this little holder for an ink pen. She's very special to me. She may not be that cute, but she's very special to me. Let me look around real quick. I know I'm missing some. Oh. These I forgot I had. Forgive the barn clothes today. Look what I found that I had. Woo-hoo-hoo. And October is coming. Love these guys. Love, love, love these guys. So let me put those up and show you. I keep looking around because I know I have many more. And after the video's over, I'll be going, oh yeah. And let's show the Raggedy Ann and Andy that I found after I said I should do a challenge. Aren't these the cutest? Typical Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls. I paid $4.73 for these two, and they are in excellent shape. They're going back in the plastic bag when I'm done for next year's challenge on Raggedy Ann Day. I just think I had a Raggedy Ann growing up. I had one that was store-bought, and then I had one made by a dear friend of the family's. This is how you can check to see if you have an actual Raggedy Ann. It says, I love you on the heart. And a friend of our family made Raggedy Ann dolls so beautifully. I wish I had photos of those. She made my mom a set for her bed that were absolutely gorgeous. All of her face work was beautiful, but I no longer have those. I didn't realize my mother was a doll collector until recently. I think about all the dolls she had out on her bed and on her dresser, and I was destined to collect dolls. I'll tell you that story another day. Thank you to anyone who joined in on the Rag Doll Challenge. If you have a video, I don't want to miss it. Please leave your channel in my comments so I can come by and see your Raggedy Ann and Andy or your other rag dolls today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Tell me which one of my rag dolls you like the best. And subscribe to our channel, please.